makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am pretty excited for this video because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a mystery box from Touch of Glam Beauty, which is just in here. And basically, Touch of Glam is an indie brand on Etsy, and I've wanted to try something from them for a while, but sometimes I get overwhelmed when I'm trying a new brand because there's so many things normally with new brands, and it's like, where do we even start? So I get overwhelmed, and sometimes I don't buy things, which is what happened with Touch of Glam. Like, there's a few things I've wanted over time, but I'm like, I don't even know where to start. So basically, whenever a brand does a mystery box, I love that. I love it so much, and I normally end up buying their mystery box. And I've done it with Vanessa's Vanity, Enchanted Luster Cosmetics, which is still on the way to me, which is out in Australia. And then what else? I feel like I did someone else. I think Sydney Grace Cosmetics did buy a certain amount and get a mystery bag, so I did that, but I already love Sydney Grace at that point. Anyways, I just have fun with it. I think it's fun, and normally I have unboxed them by myself, just, you know, just me, myself, and I, but I thought today I would unbox it on camera. So really quickly, this box is currently not available anymore, but who knows, they might bring it back in the future, and I'm sure all the products inside are available. Actually, I don't know. Hopefully. I'm not sure. We'll see. I haven't opened it yet or peeked or anything. This box was $35, and it's supposed to have a total value of $55 to $95. I actually had a discount code. I think they had like 30% off or something along those lines, and then I paid for shipping, which was almost the entire discount, so I ended up paying $34.54. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening this. I actually was smart enough to get a pair of scissors to keep in my little room here instead of constantly like struggling to open things. Oh, it actually comes in a little box. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I need to take my thumbnail picture with that. And then this little thing here, it says freebie, which I actually have talked to the owner of Touch of Glam just a little bit on Instagram, and I know she watches my videos, and she said that she went ahead and threw in a freebie for me. Also should mention that I put in the notes section that I like colorful makeup. I always try to do that whenever I do a mystery bag. Sometimes they oblige. Sometimes they don't, which is fine because it's a mystery. I just like to throw it there just in case. You know, I'm just putting it out there. Alrighty, so I guess I'll just go ahead and open this little one first because I just am curious. Oh, I guess I should have a Z palette ready, shouldn't I? I really need to buy another Z palette because I'm getting pretty full. So I cleared a little space in my Adept Cosmetics palette, and we'll see what we can fit in here today. So the very first thing is a little highlighter, which is called Buy Me Diamonds. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It has like the little leaf pattern in there. Isn't that so cute? I live for like those little details. Ooh, so there's what it looks like. It's just like a really light golden white shade. Ooh, that's intense. That's really pretty. Oh, this is so pretty too. Okay, this is an eyeshadow which is called Bottomless Sea. Alright, so now for the box. Oh, you guys, there's a little card too. This is so adorable. I'm glad I decided to film this one. Okay, so it has everything listed out so you can see what you got, your retail value, and everything like that. I'm not gonna look at everything right now. We'll just go ahead and open it up. Ooh, this highlighter. I actually did want this one. I saw this on their site. This is 50 Shades of Pink. So cute. Oh my gosh, okay. Do you guys see that? Oh, I don't even want to swatch it and ruin it, but it's because it's so pretty, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. Alright, so it's a little bit of a deeper pink tone. I might have to use that as more of like a blush topper. Oh yeah, definitely a blush topper, but that is really pretty. Actually, that looks, I think it would be really pretty eyeshadow too. So next we have the shade Ferro. Okay, actually, here, I'm gonna slide, here, I will show you guys Ferro really quickly, just so you can see it's like a gold. I'm gonna slide Ferro back in because I'm working on a giveaway right now, and so whenever I get something in a mystery bag that I feel like I wouldn't use, I always put it into my giveaway pile. I have 8 million gold shades, so this one I'm sure it's beautiful, but I don't think I would get enough use out of it. So next is the shade Spearmint. Is this the one that Angelica always talks about? I know that they have a mint shade she's obsessed with. Okay, that is my kind of color. So here is Spearmint. I seriously die for shades like this on the inner corner. Alright, so next is the shade Temptress, and this looks like a really pretty pinky purple shade. It has like glitter flecks throughout it. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, and then there's another highlighter here called Fairies Asylum. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's actually a little fairy. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I don't want to touch it or swatch it. I wish my fingernail polish looked cuter right now. Oh man, I feel bad for touching it because it's so pretty. So it's like a really light white shade. I'm just gonna put it on my hand like right here. It kind of looks like it has like the tiniest tiny hint of color to it, but I don't even know how to describe it. Looks really pretty. You wipe away those swatches. Where'd my... oh, here they are. You guys want to hear a funny quick story? Not really that funny. So my son has been using the same diaper wipes since he was born. I always just get pamper sensitive. Not for any particular reason, it's just what I've always gotten. And then I bought these, like the normal Pampers, on accident. I was in a rush. I bought like the giant box and I started using them, and I did not like them at first because they're thinner. They have like a really strong smell to them, and within a few days he had the worst diaper rash he's ever had. Like, it was really bad. He would cry every time I changed his diaper. So I had to go buy the regular sensitive ones, and now I have like 8,000 not 8,000, but I have a lot of baby wipes that he can't use. So basically I'm going to make sure that I swatch every single thing I talk about from now on because I have way too many baby wipes. Alright, so now onto the next little bundle here. So there is an actual compact here. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, this one, because it is a compact, I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to do this with an Instagram picture or something. This is Bluebell Silky Rains. And it's a little unicorn. Okay, I don't have any rainbow highlighters or unicorn highlighters or anything like that. I'm not normally a sucker for that, but this is adorable. Do you guys see that? See the little unicorn? Oh my gosh. So cute. Alright, so I'm not going to touch that one yet just because it's adorable and I want to like put it in a picture or something. But I love the bag. I think it was a good value. Here, let me see the card. I did take a little sneaky peeky. It says total value was $65.50. So it's definitely a good amount of things to try out. I'm excited about it. Can't wait to start using these and playing with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.